In other business news, Kenyan cab-hailing service Little is set to launch its service in Nigeria next month, targeting to go into the Nigerian market with about 5,000 drivers at inception. The service will kick off in Lagos and is expected to make a mark in what is Uber's largest African market. Meanwhile, Little has launched an online driver verification feature that has been incorporated into its app using facial recognition technology from Microsoft Corporation's Cognitive Face API or Application Programming Interface. Little's app, described as homegrown and first of its kind in Africa, will now incorporate the facial technology to give customers additional assurance they are safe because their driver has been verified.
This is to gain our riders to be much more safer. When a rider gets into the Little, especially at the times where between late hours, for example, we want to make sure that the riders feel more comfortable taking Little than anybody else. Because all the drivers, I think the procedure among all the drivers across all the companies are more or less the same, that you vet a driver and you put them on the system. But how sure are you that the driver that was vetted is the same driver who is carrying you? And if he's not carrying, then obviously,